You're pressed. Shut up. Let me finish talking, ho. Let me finish talking. Let me finish talking. Talk for my sister again. Talk for my sister again. Talk about her again. Bitch, me and you fighting. I don't give a fuck if you a people or not. We fighting. That's on God.
Hey, you're
I
not.
don't give a fuck. Hey, fighting.
Hey,
We're fighting. I won't face with bitches too, so what you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do? Shut up, bro. I got you pressed. I got you pressed. I got you pressed. I'm doing something right, bitch. I got you pressed, right? I got you pressed. And people this time me talking about yeah, bitch. Nobody likes you.
no.
Nobody likes you.
Vicky.
Nobody likes you, bro. Bang all day, bitch. Cause I'm about it too. What you want to do? What you want to do?
Female, bro.
I don't give a fuck. This hoe got me fucked up. Go talk about my sister. Bitch, fuck you. You're ugly. You're ugly. Your wig is crooked. You talking about my sister? You got stitches in your hair, bitch.
How old you is?
You got stitches old enough? Old enough? Old enough?
You a bitch.
Old enough? You a bitch. Your mama's a bitch.
Nanny, I fuck with
You're a hoe. You're a hoe. You're a hoe. Learn your place, bitch. Learn your place. Learn your place. Bow down to the people who made you, bitch. Bow down to the people who made you, bitch. Talk about my sister again. Jump at Addy. Jump at Addy, because you know I'll pull up. I'll pull up. I'll pull up, bitch ass nigga. I'll pull up.
Now you arguing with him.
I'll pull up. Pull up. I'ma pull up. I'm not the one. I'm not the one. You're a clown, bitch. Look at you. You can't even do your fucking makeup right. Your eyelashes is crooked, hoe.
I'm sorry.
Bitch, your eyelashes is crooked.
Guess what? Your brother won.
Look at you. You look like a whole ass clown. The fuck you mean?
Nanny, speak
The fuck you mean? She is ugly. That's why ain't no nigga don't want you.
No,
You
Vicky.
can't keep my niggas. Nobody don't want you. You're not gonna talk about my sister, bitch, because I'm gonna defend my sister the day I die. You're mad. You're mad. I can't wait to see your person because I'm gonna have somebody whoop your ass. I hope you ready. I hope you ready.
No, my brother ain't
I
gonna
hope you ready,
touch
bitch.
you.
I hope you ready. My brother can't stop me.
No,
Nobody can stop me because I'm gonna whoop your ass. You better pray you have security with you. You better pray your little skinny, no shaking ass. Bitch, you can't even twerk.
No, actually, she can't.
Yo, that shit funny as hell. Word. Tell him stop playing. That shit was funny to me though. Put his brother on the camera. I'ma put your top off, little dude. You big gangster. Period, Ducky out. He's so pressed. Oh, he wanted attention. Exactly. He started the live off talking about I like you and all, but word, period, word will bitch. I'll get my brother on you. Stop playing.
They sounded so okay. First of all, they sounded so pressed. They sounded so dumb. I mean, like your brother's watching Vicky's live, but then you in the background.
He in the comments talking about I'm sorry. He in the comments talking about I am sorry. You see that?
I know he is because he pressed. Vicky don't need no more press off you hating ass bitches. And then I just didn't understand why he kept holding him back like he was gonna do something. Like he wasn't gonna do shit.
Exactly. And then it's like he's talking about I will pull up and beat your ass. Boy, you put your hands on a female, you watch what happens.
Thank you. And he gonna get his ass beat. Like I wish he would touch you, Vicky.
That's what I'm saying. I would have my brother.
I would lay that bitch. I would lay that bitch out. I would lay that bitch out. That bitch don't do. And then how old is he? He's like a little 17-year-old. How old is he?
Bro, that dude, I don't know how old Glock is, but listen, Glock, that boy, like, he got a crush on me. But every time he put
I know he wants to
every time he put one of his siblings in the motherfucking camera, his sibling got something to say about me. First of all, your sister sitting here talking shit about old stuff. Your sister don't even know me. Second of all, look at your sister wig.
Your sister, and then all that, but then how you gonna talk shit? Oh, your sister ain't shit and you ain't shit. Why you and your sister in the background just like you in the background ain't doing shit? You ain't about shit. First of all, I just don't understand this. Like, why are these kids in the background? Why they can't get in the camera? Why they can't get in the camera?
That's what
why
I'm
they gotta be
saying.
in the background?
And then you want he just hating, bro. He just
like I said, I believe the sister. I believe the sister and the brother. They want clout. They just want to be on World Star right now.
I feel like they're a little slow.
Yeah, you think? That's
the reason.
That's the reason why I didn't take none of them serious, because I'm looking like they sound slow. First of all, the sister didn't even sound no better. Like the brother and sister, like they get together.
Then,
I guess they get
you
together
gotta be slow to come outside with your hair looking like that. You gotta be slow. Like something gotta be mentally up for you to walk out the house with your wig on like that.
The thing is, she came for you first, and the only thing you said is, can I see your wig? She came for
That's
you
something
first.
I said. No, she came for me first, talking about all this. Bitch, you don't even know me. Then he in the comment talking about I fuck with you, bruh. Chill.
They clout chasing. Yeah, that's all. They all clout chasing. Like I said, they want to be. Like I said,
Tony said I want to see the wig.
we all want to see that damn tired ass wig, and we want to see that brother too, because the brother, I believe the brother a little on the the little man side, if you know what I mean, wink wink, because he was acting a little too feminine over there. Don't touch me, don't hold me back.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
I believe he on my side. I believe he wanted to have some man ass, not no woman pussy, because no, actually he wanted to he wanted to cut his dick off and have a pussy, because the way he was acting too feminine.
He was acting like a bitch. He wanted to cut his dick off and have a pussy so he could fight me.
He do. But he ain't gonna fight you because he know better. Because like you said, that bitch gonna get his ass laid the fuck out.
That's what I'm saying. He gonna get his ass beat the fuck up. First of all,
I just can't believe it. Because look, usually around the time of night, I usually try to check over your life, see what's going on, to see like you doing your hair. But now I saw him, I said this so stupid bitch. Why is he even on? Why if are you a fan or not? Because if you're not a fan, why are you here? Why are you checking out her page? Why are you even here? And then why your sister? Not only, but if you such a fan, why are you putting your sister on game?
Second of all, I didn't even say shit to you, and you talking about you want to beat my ass.
Clout. That's all. They want to be on the shade room. That's all. They want to be on the shade room. They want clout. That's all. They want some attention. This is their way of getting attention through you, because they know that everybody watches your live, so they want attention off of you. That's all. But guess what, bitch? Not today. Your stupid ass. Yeah, I know you still here, you old stupid hoe.
Exactly, Michael. But Michael, I'm finna ask somebody else. I love you though.
Oh, I love you too. Like I said, you know everybody loves you, Vicky. We all love you. Good night.
Thank you, Michael. I love you.
All right, love you too.